Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your maths teacher Aparna Pandey from DPS Lamachor, and today here we are going to start our revision for half yearly examination. Okay beta, I am your maths teacher Aparna Pandey from DPS Lamachor, and today here we are going to start our revision work for half yearly examination. Half of the chapter of chapter number 9, half of the topics we have discussed, few which are left that we will discuss later on, but first we are doing preparation of half yearly examination. Okay, so in today's class students, we are going to discuss general topics like I am going to explain you how to do addition, how to do subtraction, how to do multiplication. This is general task. This is not according to the chapters, but this is according to the topics, that how you will add, how you will subtract, how you will do multiplication and many more things. Okay, so let's start. First I am going to tell you about addition. Okay, first I am going to tell you about addition. How to do addition. A-double-T-I-T-I-O-N. Addition. Beta see. For addition, what you have to notice, what you all have to notice, that for addition there must be, I told you one thing, that whenever any number is given, first you have to put ones, tens in 100. Okay, so suppose I have given you question, add 42 plus 59, or suppose I have given you add 42 and 59. So what you people will do in your rough notebook, as you all know that during this scenario we people have to use Google form for the exams, and we cannot solve these questions in paper. So for that, what you have to do, whatever question is given, you have to see that question very carefully, and then you have to use your rough notebook for solving that question. After solving in rough notebook, when you will get answer, that answer you have to check from the given options. Okay, so in this way you have to do the work. So kindly focus on these things. Now see, it is, suppose it is given like add 42 and 59. So what you have to do, 42 and 59, first you have to put ones and tens. Okay, then what you will write, 42, then this is 4, this is 2, this is 5, this is 9. Okay, now it is correct. Simple सा हो गया ना. 42, 4 is in the place of tens, 2 is in the place of ones. 59, 5 is in the place of tens and 9 is in the place of ones. Simple हो गया. Now you know you have to count 2 times after 9, 9, 10, 11. 11, then what we will write, 1, and 1 will come carry here. Then 5 plus 4 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. So in this way you have to do addition. Okay, in this way you have to do addition. 42 plus 59, 9 plus 2, after 9, 10, 11. 11 का हमने 1 लिख दिया, 1 is carry. Then 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 1 10, and then our answer is 101. Okay, no need to get confused. Another also I am telling you, suppose you have 105 and 101. Okay, 111. Suppose you have two number 105 and 111, and you have to add them. So how you will add? First, now see, 3 digits are there. So first we will put ones, tens, hundreds. Why we are putting this ones, tens, hundred, I have also explained you in earlier in previous videos also, that if we will not put like this ones, tens, then many times when we are putting the digit we are doing mistake. तो हमें ऐसी कोई भी mistake नहीं करनी. So for that you have to do like this. Okay, ones, tens, hundred. Now 105 and 111. Simple, we have written. Now what we have to do? We have to add. 5 plus 1 is 6. See, 0 plus 1. Suppose you have 1 toffee and somebody has given you 0. 0 means nothing. So 1 will remain 1. And this 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is the answer? 216. The answer is 216. So in this way you have to do addition. One more I am telling you. Suppose it is 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay. But it is 2, 4, 5 and 6. And 1, 0, 3, 2. And we have to add. So what you will do? First you will put ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Then you will add 6 plus 2 is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 will be 4. 2 plus 1, 3. So it is very simple. Our addition is very simple and you all are aware about that. Addition is very simple. Though it is revision class, that's why I am explaining you. Okay. So in this way you have to do addition. Now here students, we have discussed about addition. Now our second topic is subtraction. Okay. Second topic is subtraction. Subtraction. Suppose it is given subtraction or suppose it is given subtract, SUB. In both the cases what you have to do? In both the cases you have to do minus. In both the cases you have to do minus. And one more thing you have to notice, whenever it is written as find the difference. Whenever it is given find the difference, DIFFERENCE. Whenever it is given find the difference, in that case also you have to do subtraction only. Okay. Now and in addition, when it is given find the total. Find the total or SUM sum. Find the sum. SUM sum. जब जैसे मैंने आपको बताया सब्ट्रैक्शन, सब, माइनस, डिफरेंस, इन सारी चीजों में हमें माइनस करना होता है बेटा. वैसे ही अगर आपको दिया हो ऐड और दे हैव गिवन सम और दे हैव आस्क्ड टोटल और दिस प्लस साइन इज देयर. So in this case you have to do addition only. In this case you have to do addition only. Okay. Now it has asked difference now. So first what we will do for finding difference, I have already told you that we have to always notice that the number which is written, the digits which are written on upside should be greater 1. Okay. Suppose it is written that subtract 65 and 32. Okay. See, it is very simple. Subtract 65 and 32. So what we will do? First we will put ones and tens. Then we will write 65 and then we will write 32 and then what we will write? Minus sign. Okay. 65, 32 and minus sign. It is very simple. Now this is 5, this is 2. We have to subtract. So we can do very easily. After 2 we have to count till 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is coming. If you have any confusion, you can do it like this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines you have and 2 you have cancelled. 3 are left. So in this way also you can solve this. Another one is 6 and 3. Similarly you can do 6 minus 3 is 3 and the answer we are getting is 33 and the answer we are getting is 33. It is very simple subtraction. Okay. Now suppose it is given find difference between. Suppose it is given find difference between, DIFFERENCE. Find difference between 204 and 102. Suppose question is given like this. Find difference between 204 and 102. Now I have already explained you the meaning of word difference. Whenever it is written difference means we have to do minus only. So now what we will do? And in minus there is one rule that the number which is greater one will be written first. Okay. So first I will put ones, tens, hundreds. Another thing is that which one is greater number? 204. So first I will write 204. Then when it is written 102, so what I will write 102. Then what I have to do? Minus, because it has asked difference and difference means minus. Difference means minus. Okay. So now 4 minus 2 is 2. 0, 0 is simply 0 and 2 minus 1 is 1. What answer we are getting? We are getting 102. What we are getting? 102. It is very simple. Now suppose one more question. Suppose they have asked now focus here. Suppose they have asked subtract 300 from 500. 300 from 500. Now क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? Subtract 300 from 500. मतलब 500 में से 300 माइनस करो. अब यहाँ पे जो आप लोग मिस्टेक करते हैं वो क्या करते हैं बेटा कि यहाँ पे 300 पहले लिखा है, तो आप लोग क्या करेंगे? यहाँ 300 लिख देंगे, नीचे 500 लिख देंगे और माइनस कर देंगे. But it will be wrong. Why? Because you must always remember that during finding the difference or during subtraction or during minus time, the greater digit should be written first. Okay? तो इट मीन्स चाहे इन्होंने 300 पहले दिया है लेकिन हमें लिखना 500 ही पहले पड़ेगा. एक चीज. दूसरी चीज जो ध्यान रखने वाली बात है that here it is written from. क्या लिखा है? देखिए यहाँ पे from लिखा है. जब भी ऐसे from लिखा होता है subtract 300 from 500, इसका मतलब ये क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि आपको 500 में से 300 माइनस करना है. 500 में से 300 माइनस करना है का मतलब है कि यू हैव टू राइट 500 फर्स्ट. ओके. जहां पे भी फ्रॉम आता है उसमें जो सेकंड नंबर होता है हमेशा उसे पहले लिखते हैं. सो व्हाट विल बी हियर? दिस इज ones, tens, 100, very simple. Then 500, then 300. Now we have to minus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and this is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2 and the answer is 200 and the answer is 200. So students, till here we have discussed about addition and subtraction. Okay. Now it's time to discuss another topic and that is multiplication. Now it's time to discuss another topic and that is multiplication. Let's see what is given here. Now I hope that your addition and subtraction is clear now. I have told you everything related to these two topics. Now we are going to discuss about multiplication. 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 For multiplication beta, I have told you earlier also that tables must be learned. And I have given you in your syllabus also from 2 to 15. तो आपको टेबल्स जरूर लर्न होने चाहिए. एटलीस्ट 2 to 15 तक तो टेबल्स सबको ही लर्न होने चाहिए. Then only you will able to solve maths very easily. Okay. Now in multiplication, see. Suppose we have one number 2 into 6. It is very simple. 6 to the we can simply write 12. How we come to know that 6 into 2 is 12? Because it is from tables. अगर आपको tables याद होंगे आप बड़ी easily कर पाएंगे. 6 into 2 is 12. Second, suppose it is given 9 into 9. How you will solve? 9 nines are 81. And from where we are getting this 81? From tables only. अभी हमने कुछ भी multiplication में कुछ भी solve नहीं किया है. अभी तक सिर्फ tables का use हुआ है. Okay? 9 into 9 is 81. Now see, suppose it is given 12 into 5. अब देखिए 12 into 5 में क्या होगा? Those who have learned tables very hard, they know very easily that 12 5s are 60. They can simply write 12 5s are 60. अब जिन्हें टेबल नहीं याद है 10 के बाद what they will do? This is 12, this is 5. Okay? In this way you have to write. I have explained you in multiplication class also. This is 12, this is 5 ones, 10s, this is 12 and this is 5. Now 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. So what we will write? 0 we will write and 1 will go carry. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 plus 1 6. So what answer we are getting? 60. What answer we are getting? 60. It is very simple. Okay. 12 into 5 is 60. But if you have not learned tables, so you can also find the answer in form of multiplication. Okay, now see one more. No need to worry about this. Suppose it is 15 into 3 equals 2. अब 15 into 3 कितना होगा? देखिए 15 means 15, 15 2 30, 15 3 45. Because I know tables तो मेरे लिए बड़ा easy हो गया. मैंने सीधे सीधे 15 3 45 लिख दिया. अब जिन्हें टेबल याद नहीं है वो क्या करेंगे? दे कैन यूज मल्टीप्लिकेशन, लेकिन एटलीस्ट 10 तक फिर भी टेबल्स आने चाहिए बेटा मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के लिए. आइदर यू विल अनेबल टू सॉल्व सच क्वेश्चंस. नाउ 15 into 3 मैंने लिखा, ये देखिए वंस और टेंस लिख दिया. वंस और टेंस में 15 आ गया. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? 3 से. 3 लिख दिया. नाउ आई विल सॉल्व. 3 5s are 15. 15 का 5 and 1 is carry. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 6. Sorry, 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. And the answer is 45. And the answer is 45. It is very simple. So in this way we can do multiplication. अभी तो ये simple वाले थे. Now let's see little complicated one. Okay. Suppose मैं अगर आपको ये दे दूँ एग्जाम में that you have to solve 2 7 3 into 2. Now how you will find the answer? 273 into 2. तो आपको क्या करना है? आपने करना है बेटा यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन. मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे करेंगे? सबसे पहले यू विल राइट वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स. व्हाई? अगर हम ऐसा नहीं लिखते तो लास्ट में हमारे डिजिट्स आगे पीछे हो जाता है और आंसर रॉन्ग हो जाता है. ओके. सो 273 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय किससे? 2. नाउ ये लिख दिया. अब हम इसे कैसे करेंगे? 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. सिंपल, कोई कैरी नहीं किया, सिंपल 6 आ गया. 2 7s are 14. 14 हम कैसे लिखते हैं? 1 और 4 लिखते हैं. तो 14 में से जो वंस के प्लेस में वो हम यहाँ लिख देंगे और जो टेंस के प्लेस में है वो कैरी चले जाएगा. टेंस के प्लेस में 1 था वो कैरी चले गया. ओके. नाउ 2 2s are 4 and 4 plus 1 is, देखिए 2 2s are 4 आ गया, लेकिन हमारे पास कैरी भी है तो हम 4 में वो कैरी प्लस कर देंगे. 4 plus 1 5. So what answer we are getting? 546. What answer we are getting? 546. 2 into 3 is 6. 7 2s are 14, 4 and 1 carry. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Okay, it is very simple. Now if you want to see one more, kindly see here. Suppose it is 1 2 7. अच्छा 1 2 4 5 into 12. 1 2 4 5 into 12. अब हम इसे कैसे करेंगे? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. In this way we will put ones, tens, 100, 1000. Then 1 2 4 5 into 1 and 2. इतना ये क्वेश्चन में से ही था. ओके. अब हम क्या करेंगे बेटा? पहले हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे सबको. 2 5s are 10, 0 and 1 carry. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. सिंपल हो गया. फर्स्ट वाली लाइन पूरी आ गई. नाउ वी हैव टू स्टार्ट. नाउ वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई फ्रॉम दिस 1. अब ये 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 1, ये टेंस की प्लेस में तो वंस की प्लेस एम्प्टी हो गई, तो इसे हम क्या कर देंगे? क्रॉस कर देंगे. 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2 and 1 1s are 1. सिंपल. इसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं? इसके बाद हम कर देते हैं एडिशन. एडिशन करेंगे, क्या होगा? जिसके नीचे क्रॉस होता है वो वैसे ही आ जाता है. 0 9 plus 5. Count after 9 9 10 11 12 13 14. This is 4 and this is 1. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4 and this is 1. And our answer is 14,940. Our answer is 14,940. So in this way you have to solve multiplication. Still, if you will feel any confusion, then you can go through the videos, previous videos where I have taken only multiplication class. If you will watch that video, you will get very clear idea related to this topic. Okay, now we have then here today we have done 3 topics, that are addition, subtraction and multiplication. I am going to explain you one more, that is called expanded form. That is expanded form. Suppose it is asked expanded form. You have to write expanded form of the given number. So suppose it is asked that write expanded form of 203. How you will write expanded form of 203? क्या बताया था मैंने? सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे? ones, tens, 100 लिख के you will put this number like this 203. अभी क्लियर हो गया सबको? ये 2 hundreds के प्लेस में है, टेंस के प्लेस में 0 है, वंस के प्लेस में 3 है. इतना यहीं से क्लियर हो गया. अब क्या करना होता है? देखिए 2 लिखा हमने, 2 लिख दिया. 2 के बाद कितने डिजिट्स बच गए बेटा? 2. इट मींस ये 2 डिजिट्स की जगह पे हमने 0 लिख दिया. क्या आ गया? 200. देन प्लस साइन लगाएंगे. अब क्या है? 0 लिख दिया. 0 के बाद कितने डिजिट है? ओनली 1. उसके लिए भी हमने क्या लगा दिया? 0. देन वी विल पुट प्लस साइन. उसके बाद क्या है? 3 लिख देंगे. 3 के बाद कोई डिजिट है? नो. तो देयर विल बी नो 0 एंड दिस इज आवर आंसर 200 plus 00 plus 3. This is expanded form. Okay, 200 plus 00 plus 3. Then second, suppose it is given 5 6 4. क्या है? 5 6 4. Again what we will put? Ones, tens, 100. This is 5, this is 6, this is 4. अब हमें पता चल गया यहाँ से ये 564 है. Now when we will write its expanded form, हम क्या करेंगे? We will first put 5. 5 के बाद जितने डिजिट्स हैं उतने 0 प्लस क्या है? 6 के बाद कितना डिजिट है? ओनली 1. देन वी विल पुट 0. उसके बाद क्या है? 4. तो सिंपली वी विल राइट 4. सो इन दिस वे दिस इज आल्सो द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. एक लास्ट और देख लेते हैं. थर्ड वन, सपोज इट इज गिवन 1079. व्हाट इट इज? 1079. अब कैसे करेंगे? सबसे पहले ones, tens, 100 and 1000. क्या लिख दिया? 1079. अब आपको क्या करना है? नाउ यू हैव टू राइट 1 लिख दीजिए. 1 के बाद कितने नंबर है? 1 2 3. तो क्या आ जाएगा? वी विल राइट 30. देन प्लस साइन. देन यू विल राइट 0 के बाद कितने हमारे 2 डिजिट्स हैं, उन पे भी 0 लगा दीजिए. प्लस व्हाट इज देयर? 7 के बाद कितना डिजिट है? 1. देन पुट 0. अब क्या है? 9 के बाद कोई डिजिट नहीं है, सो नो 0 विल बी देयर. सो व्हाट आंसर वी आर गेटिंग? 1000 plus 30 plus 70 plus 9. So in this way we can find our expanded form, or in this way we can write expanded form of a particular given number. So students, in today's class here we have discussed about addition, subtraction, multiplication and expanded form. I hope that this revision class will help you in revising the things related to your chapters. Kindly solve this video by yours. Kindly watch this video and solve the given questions very carefully in your notebook. It will be very helpful for your upcoming exam. I hope that you all will like this video. Thank you and have a nice day.